Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to make a small power bank. Well, we need parts whose names will be displayed for you. To solder the wire to the battery, we scratch the two ends of the battery with a sharp tool so that the wire is soldered to the battery. Solder the red wire to the positive terminal of the battery and module and the black wire to the negative terminal, or GND, of the battery. I use a 3D printed case. I put the file of this case for you. And now let's go for the test. Thank you for watching the video so far. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because you give me energy by doing this, and introduce me to your friends. Bye until another video.